Hello, hello and welcome to the Fix-It shop. So this week we're fixing a dead Hornby engine and the Intercity engine. I found out what's wrong with this, so I'm going to have some outside help. That wire doesn't go anywhere. That yellow wire doesn't go anywhere. So I think that's all that's wrong with it. The fuse isn't blowing. I bought $10 worth of fuses and I don't know where I put them. I have no idea. But we've got another project finished and on its way out, which is good. Again, post lockdown, mail's still arriving. One package per decade. I don't even know what this is. Oh my gosh! I ordered this key puller over a year ago. Wow! Just wow. Has it been in customs thinking it's some sort of cocaine or something? I guess this is another one then. Does it have a date? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September 2020. This was mailed to me. And I'm picking, yeah, it's another key puller. Wow! Wow! Just wow! Snail mail. I don't even need these anymore. I fixed the keyboard. Oh well, souvenirs. Alright, this is the, okay, well you can just be careful opening the box. Do, all the leaves are brown. I've been watching too much. What's his name? Oh. Careful. Very delicate. Very delicate. Packing peanuts. Alright. I've always wanted packing peanuts after watching Techbone get all of his, so that's like a bonus. So I've got enough packing boxes, packages, materials, packing peanuts to start my own business. Alright, so this is 512K, I think. It's a 1 meg chip. Okay. So everything has arrived. I put the it's not an SD card. I've forgotten, it's a different type of card. Compact flash card, hard drive. I'm deciding whether I should sell the 600 with the GoTech. The condition that my 500 is in with the power supply and all the missing keys, I think I'll be keeping that, so I will order another one of these. So everything's here now. So the floppy disks arrived a few months back. Not that you need them. There's no floppy drive. Oh god. Okay, so put the floppy drive back in. I can't sell it with the GoTech unless I get a switcher. Okay, it's something to think about. And now I've got, where the hell did it go to? I've lost it. There's a portal in the time dimension. Oh my god. Can't believe it. There it is. What's it doing under there? A clown? So I've now got a compact flash hard drive for this, possibly a GoTech, and it's now got 1.5 megabytes. This memory extension doubles the Amiga's chip memory from 1 to 2. So it's already got 1 meg in it, but the 1 meg wasn't enough to run demos. So it's now got 2 megabytes of RAM in it. Okay, so yeah, alright, you can't keep this, you've got to get it. There's a reason why I'm selling this, and that reason is a CD32 controller. Oh my god, they're wanting $130 for one. So I'm having to sacrifice this for a CD32 controller. That's okay. That's more important to me. Get a switcher, sell this for as much as you can. I keep changing my mind. I'm like, I've got the CD32, I've got a power supply. The mouse that came with this I can use on the CD32 for cannon fodder. You know, you keep wanting to keep things, but I do want to keep it, but it's got to go. It's got to go. You've got your 500 and you've got your CD32. So, all right, let's put this together. Okay, so all right. I didn't have to take that off. Well, I did. I want to put the disk drive back in. Now, how do you know if it's an Amiga or a PC disk drive? I think it... What happens if you put a PC floppy drive in? Don't break it. It goes in one way. Oh, there's the mounting screw. Okay, no, this is the original. It's a bit. Whoa! Oh, I see what goes on there. All right. What are we doing? Putting a meg upgrade. I can't believe that after 6 months. I managed to keep all the screws in the one bag and not lose the bag even. It's like a double bonus. And the Arduino project I started back then. I might buy a battery, one battery every 2 weeks and finish that project off. Right. So you can put the lid on now, because if you do put the GoTech on, disk drive. I don't remember. Bloody hell. I only just installed one. Oh, it has to go onto the... No, I'm confused. Never mind, don't worry about it. That'll be mine. Just something on the side, a bit on the side, haha. For my CD32, I have a mouse to USB kit that arrived a year ago, and I've got a mouse to PS2 kit. So I'm gonna have a go. Like I keep saying, I don't know anything about electronics, so I'm gonna get these two soldered together, whatever you do, and that'll be my mouse for my CD32. Right, so there's the Workbench 2.1. So the keyboard, I wish I knew all this when I threw my 1200 away. I probably could have repaired it. I did a lot of stupid things when I moved from island to island. I threw away the CD32 power supply and the joypad and the 1200. Sometimes you do some absolutely idiotic things. Don't lose the screws. Alright, so all we're going to do now is have another go at running the demos. I've just upgraded to Amiga Forever. Oh, I haven't put it in yet. Amiga Forever 9. But that's a different company to the person that sells the compact flash. What have I done wrong? There we go. Alright. I shall have a... Right, 6 months later, does the trap door... Oh my gosh, I haven't lost the trap door. I'm just so amazed. I've been trying to keep everything separate. Right. I'm wondering if this mat is going to upset the power. Better safe than sorry, I guess. Last thing I want to do is blow a fuse. Better safe than sorry. The thing is, I've got 5 of these and I can only find one. So the others are in a safe space somewhere. Excuse me, Mr. Keyboard. Right. Logically it only goes one way, so it must go that way because it can't go that way. Good deduction, Holmes. It's in the middle. Can't see what I'm doing. There you go. On you go. I'm sure it had one when it arrived a year ago. I don't know. I don't know. Well, now it's got an upgraded RAM. Which way does the trap tool go? It can only go one way. There you go. Step 1. Oh God. Do I need that on? Turn it off. Mouse. If something can survive one of my upgrades, then it'll live forever. Power on. Uh-oh. It's not plugged in. Oh, why does that always happen? My gosh. Power light. Disk. That must have been hard disk. Okay. Whew.